My kids love to have new things in their room, and I love to make new and beautiful things for them.
Mostly everyone just wastes the cardboard boxes, but I try to repurpose some of those. Here I use a large cardboard box, flatten it, and transferring a heart shape into it. The larger the cardboard is, the heart shape is also going to be large. But it's up to you to decide the size you want. I worked out a 10 centimeters wide shape and cut it out. One half first, and then the other. Why am I not making it thick? It is just because I want it to be really, really light in weight. Why? So that I can use double-sided tape and attach it to the wall. The more heavier it gets, the lesser chance it stays on that wall for long. It is really easy to watch and follow the video. Here I make it with a single layer and connecting the two pieces together with another small piece under it. Use sticky tape to hold it together. Here I cut out a small piece to connect the two halves together. Here I use a tulle trim roll, which is 50 meters long, and wrapping it around the heart shape. I worked a long time to complete it. Doing the same thing again and again was really boring, to be honest. You can play your favorite playlist and relax to complete this craft. I didn't use any glue to secure the edges. I just tucked it into the layers of the trim. Then I am using a lot of artificial flowers to complete the design. Here again, I don't use any glues. It is really easy to secure the flowers into the layers of the fabric. Here's a completed look of the thing. Now, our next step is to attach it to the wall. I use double-sided tape for it. It is really beautiful and cheap to make, and it helps to follow the color scheme. Try the craft and let me know how it turned out. Thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you soon!